welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So you guys have been asking for a review on Kiki tresses for a long time. I've had it in my stash for a long time and I have not used it, so I'm finally ready to give it a shot. I just really want to put my hair in some twists, but you guys said this is super moisturizing, so that's what I'm gonna do, and leave my hair in twists for a few days and then take it out and see what the twist out is popping like. I did not use the deep conditioner, which I do have because I use my own DIY deep conditioner. So if you have not seen that video, I'll leave it up in the cards. So today I'm just going to use this hair milk. It's the avocado infusion hair milk. So I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to use their famous hair butter that everyone loves. So I can't wait to see the results. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the back like I normally do. Let's see how this is looking. Okay, I thought we had some faulty pumps going on, but nope, it's working. So it's nice and thick, actually. Smells good. That's what it looks like. Thick. Okay. Okay. Real thick. Okay, it's thick. My hair is not soaking wet, more like damp. I can feel all the good oils in there. I feel like if I spray more water on my hair though, it might distribute a little easier. But as thick as it is and the way the oils feel, I feel like it's gonna lock in any moisture that you have. Okay, so far it feels like it's just kind of sitting on top of my hair. It doesn't feel like it's really penetrating into my hair. I don't know, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this section up and move on to the next section, because I like to put my leave-in all through my hair anyway, so it can like penetrate into my strands before I just go in with another product. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this all through my hair, and then we'll come back around with the butter. Okay, you guys, so I have the leave-in all applied. I decided to go in with my mister bottle and add water to my hair, because normally I style my hair on soaking wet hair anyway, and I figured that will also help distribute the leave-in better because it is hella thick, and that did help. So it did distribute a lot better once I added water to my hair, and it felt better as well. So now I'm gonna go in with the coconut and mango hair butter. You guys said this butter is bomb. They said you just use it by itself. You don't need a gel or a mousse or any type of styler on top of it, because it's supposed to have some good hold by itself. So let's check it out. Oh, it smells real good. It smells real cocoa-y. It's nice and thick, but smooth and creamy. Like, it's whipped real good. And this brand has really good ingredients, no silicones, parabens, sulfates, or anything like that. So I feel like it's gonna do justice to my hair. Now I let that leave-in soak in, and it does look a lot better. Like, it looks like it's starting to penetrate pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the butter. Now I'm gonna do kind of like some chunky twists, because it's late. It's like 10:30 at night and mama tired, so I'm gonna do some nice chunky twists in my hair. So I have 3 sections in the back and 2 in the front. So I'm gonna just break up these sections in the back to kind of just 2 twists each. So here is the butter, and y'all, the butter is whipped to perfection. I can't front about that. Like, the butter feels better than the leave-in. It's real cocoa butter. Like, it's almost giving me butter popcorn smell. I'm definitely smelling butter. But look how nicely it defines, though, for it to be a butter. Not mad at it. Not mad at all. Okay, girl. So that's our first twist. I know y'all like, girl, that ain't chunky. That's kind of chunky for me, though, you know. Ooh, I'm just loving the way this butter feels. Can you put this on your body, too? I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair up and see how y'all kinky tresses do. Now, like I said, I'm gonna leave this in for like a few days, and you know, because we ain't really going nowhere, and I like to leave my twists in for a few days, you know, for more definition. And you really get to tell if a product is moisturizing, because if it's sitting in twists and you take them twists out after a few days and your hair is still moisturized, then those are the type of products that I like to rock with. So we gonna see. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair up, and I'll see y'all when it's dry. Okay, you guys, so this is our twist out. I'll turn around so you guys can see it. So let me tell you guys how I feel about the products. As far as the leave-in goes, okay, so if you've never used this leave-in, it's a nice thick leave-in, so it gives me the same vibes as an Ottawa Beauty leave-in or the Comet Moringa Tree or Moringa Ghee leave-in. It gives me those vibes. They're thick and creamy, but for my hair, I need a lot of water to distribute them through my hair, because if I don't have my hair soaking wet, it kind of sits on top of my hair and takes extremely long to actually penetrate into my hair. So I prefer to use these on soaking wet hair. So that's how I feel as far as distributing it through my hair. Now, I did my hair on Wednesday night and today is Sunday. Now, my hair isn't dry, but it's not moisturized. So I feel like if I had my hair out ever since I did my hair would be dry. So I'm not sure why this did not provide the moisture that I needed, but it really didn't give me the moisture that the butter needed to lock it in to give me like a whole 5 to 7 days of moisture. So this is just okay. Like I would use it to finish it up with the butter, because I don't know what else goes with the butter just yet. But would I repurchase it? No, I would not. So the star of the show for me was the butter. You guys, y'all wasn't lying. The butter is a good butter. First of all, I love the texture of the butter. It is whipped to perfection. It feels so good going on my hair, and I really, really enjoyed applying the butter to my hair. It's super smooth, super creamy, and it smells so good. That cocoa mango smell just brings me just warmness when I put it on my hair. Like, I love the texture and the smell. Secondly, I think it is a good butter to lock in moisture, but I would have to try it with another leave-in that I know would moisturize my hair throughout the entire week. If you're somebody that re-moisturizes throughout the week, then, you know, maybe the leave-in might be okay for you. But if you're somebody that doesn't like to re-moisturize, I would try to find something that you know moisturizes your hair for a long period of time and put it under this butter. Now, as far as the butter goes, for it to be a butter, it had a really nice hold. Like, I feel like I put like a mousse on top of a butter or something like that, or like a really light gel. My hair is nice and soft, and I've got like some frizz with it too, so it gave me some volume. So this is a cute butter to give me that day 2, 3 twist out type of look that you want, or day 4 type of look that you want. So I did like that the butter is a nice butter, and it has really good ingredients, and it gave me a nice hold to be a butter. Like, I didn't even have to put a gel or a mousse on top of it. But if you want a more long lasting hold, I would suggest using a mousse on top of it or a lightweight gel on top of it. But I wanted to use it alone first so I can really see how the hold was and the moisture levels and all of that. So if I would repurchase anything, it would be the butter. I didn't have to use too much of the butter, so I feel like it would last you a while. A little goes a long way. So the butter was a hit for me. If you guys have used Kiki Tresses before, let me know what you love so much about it. Please make sure you like this video, share, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.